Did you know there are a lot of smaller places around the Kendall, Miami area which are perfectly suited to fly your first mission or get some unique flight experience? Let's show off 4 of my favorites. First and certainly the most interesting is AD Barnes Park. This small park has covered trails which you can use to train your walking and your cycling. The biggest, most unexpected thing is the large towers that which holds microwave equipment and what appears to be telecom gear. It is within walking distance of the parking lot and allows for practicing tower inspections if you're interested in that being your career path. Second and most interesting is FIU's engineering school. Aside from holding the large wall of wind which is used for hurricane testing, this place contains a unique parking structure where solar panels are used to capture the sunlight hitting the cars, allowing for more comfortable vehicles as well as offsetting some of the power that is used in the building. These solar panels can be used if you'd like to learn how to perform drone-based solar panel inspections, especially with thermal and other specialized drones. Third and fourth are 2 of the smallest parks available near the FIU Engineering Center. The Women's Park is dedicated to the achievement of women, and in Houston a great place to visit as it contains a large amount of water nearby and a nice clean walking trail leading to the Women's History Gallery. Ruben Dario Park is a small park located nearby which showcases some nice benches next to a statue as well as a nearby shelter and plenty of trees where you can sit down and read a nice book or learn how to fly your first drone flight. These are my 4 interesting places you've probably never heard of or thought of visiting or flying a drone at, but they're all available and parking is free and plentiful for you to get out there and visit.